Are you having difficulty and pain going up and down the stairs after injury of one side of your body, like your ankle, your knee, or your hip? Remember the pattern, go up with a good leg, down with a bad leg. The purpose is for us not to put too much stress on that side of our body so that we will not delay healing. Okay? So for the purpose of this learning, our bad leg is our left. So if I am to apply that pattern, I will go up with my good leg, which is my right side, and then my bad leg will follow, up with my right side, bad leg. And then when I'm going down with my bad leg, which is the left, and then the good leg will follow. Left, left down first, left hand first. So remember that pattern for you to not to put too much stress on that side of your leg.